what I need today is a simple solution to mount your Xbox Series X around the wall. So what I have today is total mount. I'll show you how the whole thing works right now. Alright, so how are we doing, everyone? I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and today I'm going to show you how to mount Xbox around the wall. But first, subscribe to MEDIABOXENT by hitting that thing right in the side and notification bell. Very important, so you'll be the first next time we release a video that will help you on your next project. So we have this device called Total Mount. So it's pretty cool. Exactly what we get. So we have here the screws, all right, to mount. This is sheetrock screws. Now the way it works, if you look in this way, this is the wall. This is where we're going to be putting the screws. Right, and it has a cool level here, so that allows you to set this exactly straight. This will be the front. So it's easy and enough for your Xbox. The way we're going to set it up, this is the wall. Right, this is the wall, and it's matching for a second. The TV is on my left side, so we need the cables to exit to the left side. So this is the output side. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this way. And we're done. Now this is my new front. Okay, so this is the front side, and the side will be the one for the power. Why? Because my TV is on the left side, so cables exit this way. Right, to look that, and that make it simple, right, to remove the unit in and out. Now, so you don't go crazy trying to figure out how to get the product. What I'm going to do for you, I will leave the link right below this video so you can make it yours and make the thing look real cool right next to your TV. All right, so with this we complete the video, and then I'll show you a little bit what it looks like already installed. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.